Hey guys, it's Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 139. I'm on my way to the music studio on Santa Monica in Hollywood area, and I'm going to go and fix Brody's phone, who is he was awarded the best song artist writer for I believe for Bruno Mars earlier, and then now for the new thing, the gold. Wait, something Graham. Anyways, I can think of I know the last name is Graham, and he has a famous song that's 17, like the song that goes like, when I was 17 years old, that song. So I'm going to fix his phone right now, and he's a friend of my friend KP, who's also my friend, and so we're like buddies now, and he's a rapper, so we're going to fix their phone. They needed the iPhone 7 screen, white, but I only have a black, but they say it's cool, just come through, so that's what I'm doing. And so we're gonna go see what's going on there and the vibe, and it's always a blessing to be around those people because they're always chill and full of good vibes, and that's the reason why I'm wearing my shirt saying good vibes, because it's all about the good vibes that gets you the spotlight and the success and the voice. That's just the takeaway for this night. And so that's what we're doing right now. So it's gonna be a cool repair, and we'll see you over there and show you how it goes down. Thanks for watching. It's Phon-Er, and we'll see you back with the vlog 139 when the drops. Peace, God. Hey guys, I just got here now. It's 12:18 a.m. on Friday. Here's a crazy night that is happening here. I don't know what's happening here, but anyways, I am here. I should make a right here in the driveway. I have to ask for Brody, and they'll open the gate for me right here. That's what I was told. So let's see how it goes down. Hey guys, I'll be right back with you guys. Peace. Hey guys, we just parked, and we are gonna have to walk there. It's a block and a half down, because this area has a lot of kind of cool clubs, and not clubs, but more like bars. The ones that actually have little events going on. And so the parking was kind of hard to find. It took me like 10 minutes to find it, and I finally did. So just walking down right now. I'm on Vide and Santa Monica. Cross street this is the Social Security building in Hollywood. As you can see right here, Social Security Administration. And I have to like walk down there to the light, make a left, and he's right on the left, just a few business away. So see how it goes. I'm taking him a free temper glass for his friend as well. That's what it is. Okay guys, I'll see you when I get there. In the meantime, stay tuned. Full action coming your way. That's where it is, guys. Right there, Paramount music place right here. Pretty dope, right? Hey guys, I'm here with my boy Brody. He was just here. He just left, and we're here to fix his phone. This is this studio. It's called Paramount Studios. It's pretty cool. It smells like a beautiful weed, which is amazing. That's how a studio should smell like, because that's how music is made. Beautiful things like that. Here we're doing some setup here. Get this thing started. And we're gonna put a black screen on a 7 gold, so it'll be black and gold. So that's a new, kind of like Wiz Khalifa says, it's a black and yellow. That's how it's going down. So just letting you guys know to watch out for that. Look at that phone. Totally missed it. Smashed up to the fullest. Okay, a beast. Wow. I haven't seen this one. Oh shit, this is the new Gran Turismo, right? Sweet. We just took his phone. Bro, you wanna say hi to the cam from the far?
Hi.
Yeah,
And, all you can see is my white tee and my white tee.
And that's how it goes down here. And that's what's up, kids. That's what's up. Hey, you know the song that you wrote that was super good. I can't remember his name. I remember you told me like a year before the song even came out. That song, no, with the Graham. Yeah, with Graham. That song is sick. The one that says the when I was 17 old. Yeah. I was trying to think of his name. I'm like, I know it's Graham, but I couldn't think of the first name. I'm like, Luke something. He was like I was trying to think of Star Wars, but I was like, fuck, what was the name? You know? And then I finally made it.
I call him sometimes Skywalker, you know?
Oh, there you know, it is.
Yeah.
So that was your last one, right?
Yeah, and then I did Bruno Mars.
The Magic 24 Carat?
The whole album.
That was you?
Yeah.
Shit. That was like, honestly, he's the best album ever, right? Like, it was just like a platinum. Yeah, I mean, it's one of them, but it was just like one of the giants, you know, right?
Yeah.
Pretty shit. Cool. Alright, brother. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, man, for coming so.
Thank you. Of course. I mean, no, it's not the change, bro. It's just like, as soon as I heard, like, the kid was like, the Brody shit, I'm like, damn, like, I haven't seen that guy since like a year and a half back in the parking lot, where I was like half dead, and then you were like taking the good stuff. Alright, brother. I'm gonna stay, brother. Same there, brother. Thank you. And then let me know if you want to swap it to the white ones. Yeah, but that one, bro, honestly, it looks like literally like the 24K Magic. I'm not fucking with you.
I needed it,
bro. No, it is. It's like meant to be. The stars were aligned, you know. You know what I mean? No, like something like that. Cool. Alright, brother. Thank you, brother. Have a good one. Alright, guys. Peace. Cut. Hey, guys, that's the guy that he pretty much wrote the. He did the whole. He wrote all the songs and all the beats for Bruno Mars. And that was the guy that he just, his name is MR.Brody. You can follow him on Instagram. I'll put the link up here so you guys can follow him. He's dope. And I just fixed his phone. We put a black on a white, and it looks sick as fuck. So sorry, sick as fuck to myself. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in vlog 130. No, I'm sorry, in vlog 140. This was vlog 139, and I'll conclude. Peace. Yo.